In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add performance indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get those performance metrics showing up on your chart without any guesswork. First, make sure you're logged in and you have a chart open in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame. The steps will be the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar that sits above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, scripts, and studies that you can add to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several categories and tabs. To keep things simple and make sure we're using something reliable and pre-built, we're going to focus on the Technical section. Find the option labeled Technical and click on it. This filters the list so you're only looking at technical tools that TradingView has organized for analysis, rather than community scripts or other custom items. Sticking to this section helps you avoid anything experimental when you just want straightforward performance data. Now that you're in the technical area, you'll see a search bar at the top of the indicators list. Click into that search bar and type the word performance. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow down the results below. You should start to see indicators related to performance metrics, such as tools that measure percentage change, returns over certain periods, or other performance-focused stats. Once the performance indicators appear, you can click on the one that best fits what you're trying to analyze. As soon as you select it, TradingView will apply it directly to your current chart. Depending on the specific indicator, you might see additional data appear as a panel below your chart or as labels and values overlaid on the price action. Take a moment to look at how that information is displayed, and if needed, open the settings for that indicator to adjust any parameters so it matches your trading style or time horizon. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, additional indicators, and an overall smoother experience, check out the link in the video description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all of these features exactly as you see them here and really take advantage of the performance indicators you've just added.